Now, ladies and gentlemen, I do go shopping a lot, and recently we picked up these Jordan 13s. Jordan 13 slippers, Hydro 13 retros. And first thing I want to mention about them is I wouldn't use them in the water. I don't really know why they use the term hydro here. Please explain that to me in the comment section below. And no, I didn't pay $78 for them. They're on sale. I didn't pay $50 either. I paid less than that. Forgot how much I paid, to be honest. They're not really my slippers, but I'm just going to talk about them here. They come in this tiny little Jordan box. It's pretty cute if you ask me. It's a nice little collector's item. For those that like Jordans, you know, pick up a pair of Jordan slippers, why don't you? Number 23 in gold, black and gold Jordan retro box, pretty nice. Here's the slippers. They're stored like this inside the box, just like this. If you were wondering, there's some sheet paper inside to make sure they don't scratch each other. I'm gonna rock this video with some socks and sandals, just cause I feel like that's what everyone does. I mean, I don't like doing this. These slippers are one size too big for me, I'll be honest. There they are on foot. Jordan 13 Hydro slippers. They're relatively comfortable, I'm told, by the owner. I'm going to show them to you in detail so that you can tell me how you feel about them in the comment section below. Now, I do have some OVO slippers, or I used to have them. I don't have them anymore. The Jordan OVO slippers, those are much cooler. I think those are inspired by Jordan 12s. The leather is similar though right here on them. The 23 logo here is pretty cool. I like that a lot. 23 and Jordan logo in this weird green tinge. Got the Jordan slipper right here. It says Jordan at the back, similar to the OVOs. I don't know if you remember my OVO video. My older subscribers might. But my pair of OVO Jordan slippers, I had 3 of them, and one of them was super defective back here. The other thing I should mention is it says 23 on the inside here. That's pretty fly. The slippers have a reasonable grip pattern in case you're trying to play basketball in them. You know, you always see someone in the gym after a game or before a game throwing up some shots in silly Jordan slippers because they think they're sick. Usually they are sick, but like, I always find it pretty funny. That's why there's a reasonable grip pattern here so nobody falls on a basketball court. Jordan logo at the bottom in case you're walking around in the sand. I wouldn't use these in the water or in the sand. I don't think they'll hold up very well, but I could be wrong. That's the Jordan slipper, Jordan 13 Hydro slippers, if you liked the video. Obviously, subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you think of them. That's the Jordan logo. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.